We are at the Minnesota Science Museum. What in the world is this? So I'm letting you know now, this place is huge. There's a lot of things you can do. There'll probably be a lot of screaming kids, but who cares? There's nothing better than being at a science exhibit. The first thing you see is a dinosaur. Let's see what this does. We're gonna get it here to 15. And woo! We're going to number 3, sportsology. See how an engine works. Yep. Okay, we get it. You're good with your hands. I screwed that up. So the person in the front said you can actually take a picture and get your face on this big ass man. This is better than Chuck E. Cheese by a long shot. Screw Chuck E. Cheese, I'm bringing my kid here. Learn about motions by using different things like a volleyball, play basketball, learn about concussions in your brain. You can try to see if you're actually faster than a T-Rex. Yeah. Oh, cheater. Jeez. You got dinos, of course. What place would be good without dinos? What that mouth do? I think this is poop. I'm staring at fossilized poop. Fascinating. It's a build my own dinosaur? Say less. I mean, the Triceratops got that dump truck. Oh, God. Now, this is a fish. And thankfully, it does not live anymore. This place is very hands-on. Your kid would love this. And we also booked an IMAX dome theater for 45 minutes. This is going to be awesome. Oh, I love the dome. Was not that bad. Kind of what you expect at a dome theater. Okay.
Good, over to your right. To your right. There you go. Right there. Go. There.
On the flip floor, we get a whole bunch of rocks.
No, and I believe you. And
a whole bunch of cool stuff. Let me show you. Oh yeah, look at the pretty stuff. Got some that stuff. Some quartz.
No, totally.
You actually sell these bugs?
we don't sell them, not for money, but we do trade them. So we are a trading post, so we encourage you guys to bring in stuff from nature, bring it into us. Tell us about it. The more you can tell me, the more points I'll give you for it. You then swap out for this stuff in the case.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, this place is officially perfect. They have Legos. They've sold me. Come on, vamonos. You are walking too slow. Oh, there's nothing on this side of the wall. Dang, that was such a wasted transition. Let's try the other way. Pretty neat. What are your thoughts?
It is very interesting. If you have kids, I would definitely bring them here. There's a lot of learning. Otherwise, if you're not really a kid person.
The huge astronaut was a big plus, and there's so much more to see in Minnesota. I'm so excited. But if you haven't seen other videos of Minnesota, right there whenever you're ready.